Saturday about midday. Got the culti press. This was ploughed a couple of days ago. And I'm here with the muck spreader. Obviously the loader loading. Here's the muck I'm loading. And then over here, there's the plough, and that's the field I'm spreading it on. Right, I've just finished one field. I'm just walking across to get the loader because of the muck pile that's closer than this one. I'll do this bit when I get further across the field, but it's absolutely roasting. But it's raining. A little bit. I don't know if you can see it on there, but it's not raining that much. There's a cloud going through there, and it's quite, because it's really warm for the 21st of September. I don't know what the temperature is. It must be plus 20. So, but it's raining. It's very, very strange. Here they come, the two ploughs. The first one is the 260 on the 6 furrow Kverneland, and the second one is the 270 on the 6 furrow Kverneland. The reason I know the difference between the two is the first plough hasn't got any discs on the rear of the plough. And I know that's on the 260. You can't see it from this angle, but the 260 hasn't got a bar axle, whereas the 270 has got a bar axle. No, they've only just been ploughing together. The other one was on a different field earlier. But it's very, very hard. The tractor's revs are reduced right down into about 1400 RPM, so we just don't rip the ploughs to bits because the ground is so hard. And the worst bit is the furrow at the end. I'm sorry, the tram line at the end. Yeah, it lifted him out of the ground then. The headland tram line. Here you see they're going really steady to not snap anything. You can see the plough going up and down. You have to keep forcing the plough in the ground to keep it in when you go through that. Just by pressing and holding the button in. And the other way of telling the difference is the 260's got GPS, so you can see there's a white dome on the roof of that one. Yeah, the ploughs really struggle to get in. Sometimes they're going fine like that time, and sometimes they won't. And the headland is well, 30 metres up to where the front of his tractor is now. That is where the spring barley was, where I reseeded it. Replanted it because it was just so bad it wouldn't, well, basically there was nothing there. You can hear the engine of that second one. He's not run that very hard at all. Once he gets out of that, he can open it up a bit more. Yeah, it's a bit of tandem ploughing, and I'm over here. This is my ride. If I can hold the camera still, let's zoom out a bit. Yeah, I got my 270 with a GPS on the Richard Western muck spreader. So we have all 3 New Hollands going today. It's a Saturday, so I've got extra help today. Normally I'm on my own, but it have help in the evening. So, but no, yeah, it's a Saturday. It's a busy day. It was on the culti press this morning. You saw that earlier. So yeah, we dropped the culti press off and put the other plough on. So yeah, I'm now going to get back in this tractor and go and carry on doing some spreading. Just about get both of them in shot. So we just adjusted the revs. This one was restricted a little bit more. That's a 270, was restricted a little bit more than the 260 was. That one was limited to 1300, and that one was limited to 1500. So he's just opened it back up to 1500 now, because he was on earlier on another field that was really tough. So he reduced it down a bit more. So he's opened it up now. So he's obviously swap round, because this is the one that was first. So yeah, so it seems to be working. He just rang me. He says we're having a problem with this bottom disc. I keep twisting and scraping on the skimmer point. So I'm just driving beside him to see if I can see what's going on. Seems to be okay at the moment. I'll get out and have a look when we get to the end. Oh yeah, I'm just about finished now. I don't know if you can see on the camera all that stuff. Oh yeah, it does pick out once it. So dry it is. I think this will be the last time it will be dry, because I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow and several days next week. So yeah, just see when we get back out next with the ploughs. This is the muck spread, and there's 2 lights up there, one on the other side, then 2 round the back, and I could not make, they would not work. I spent ages fiddling about with the wires. I eventually came, if you come over here we'll see what we did. I changed, because they feed off the lighting socket, which is in there. So I changed that, went and got another plug, changed that. All the other wiring is down here. The light wire, LED loading module, I checked all them, took them all out, could make it work. I could make it work really faintly, the lights. So in the end I said, right, enough is enough. So then the 2 front ones, I have, where are we? That one there, so there's a wire down the side here and under here and over here, through here. I've wired it straight into a D plug. And then I went around the back of the spreader. And they started working. I have no idea why they're working now, and they weren't. It doesn't make any sense at all. This one up here, that's a different bulb, because a different LED, because the LED had stopped working. Yeah, this is our one. If you look, you can see water in there. So I think water must have got inside the, because they're serious, you don't change bulbs and LEDs like you did in old ones, do you? They're all working now on 2 different switches, which is a bit annoying, but to be honest, the ones on the back don't really do anything for what I need. Because these ones are on the back door, and of course when you open the back door they're facing forwards. So yeah, these are the most important ones, because especially if the way loader isn't working, you need to see inside to know when it's empty. With those lights you can look through the grid here, or this down here, and then you can see when it's empty. In the day it's just fine, obviously at night it wasn't, but now everything's sorted. Should be ready when it stops raining. You can see it's a bit wet on the ground. I haven't looked to see what rain we've had now. Overnight we had 12.5, 13 mil. We've had another fairly heavy shower about 20 minutes, half an hour ago. Right, here we are guys, now Tuesday evening. Just about dried out enough to do some more spreading and ploughing over there with the plough. Yeah, we tried the other field on, which is the field at the end of this field, you bring up to it's dark. But no, that wouldn't go, that was too wet. So we come out here, I've got the spreader with my lights. Look, my lights are all working now. Well, some of them are. You can see it through there. You just see the feeder start to come. That thing's gone down nearly empty. Drop the floor down. The outside lights, the back ones, not the ones on the deep plug I was telling you about yesterday, they've stopped working. They didn't work. As soon as it got dark, I put them on and they didn't work. Typical, it doesn't matter, the front ones are the main ones, so they work, so yeah. Yeah, that's another field done. It's only a small field, this one is, so it doesn't take me long. So yeah, no shut up, shut down, close everything and go on to the next field. Morning guys, man again with the muck spreader. Got the plough going as well. Got my wife on the plough this morning. Started spreading this field here last night. Says we dry till 7 o'clock tonight. So I went to bed. Then for some reason we woke up about 4:30, and I checked the weather, said it's going to rain by 8 o'clock this morning. So we both jumped out of bed, got dressed and came straight to the field. So yeah, she's on the plough and I'm on this muck spreader. That's daylight now. It was still dark when we started. She hasn't done a huge amount of ploughing, and that was the first time she ever ploughed in the dark, so I did a couple of rounds with her to get her going. But yeah, we are going now. I don't think we'll get this field done before the rain gets here, but we'll just get as much as we can. Hi guys, it's Friday now. We've had some more rain overnight, another 15 mils. I think we're up to about somewhere just over 2 inches now, so obviously I'm not out doing anything, so I'm here just doing a bit of work on this plough here. Show you what problems I've got here. This stay bar here snapped off. That was rather hard the other day and that snapped off, so I'm in the process of taking that off. I've got a new one down here I'm just going to put on, and also some of the bolts on the skimmers. I've done all the ones from the back of the plough this far forward because this is 6 far forward, so this is, depends which way you look at it, this is second far back. I've just got to tighten them ones up. The bolts that have come loose are that one there and that one there, the ones that hold the skimmer. They all seem to be, I managed to get something on every single one so far. I don't know if it's because the ground's so hard, it's causing a bit of vibration, because the plough ain't new, that's 11 years old, so yeah. Anyway, that's what I'm in the process of doing. I'm going to have to set this bolt here at the right distance, so we get the distance between the two furrows, the ends to ends, right, distance between this end and where you guys are standing. Let's just do this one up this end. I just have to get a tape measure. That one is 86, so we just have to tighten this up a bit. Just to pull it back. I'm not in the right place for seeing if it's empty. Just tighten this up. Right, that's tight. Now, just measure it. Yeah, that's fine. Spot on. I'll do this from the other side so you can see what I meant when I said they're a bit loose. Yeah, dry conditions, that stuff vibrate. It just seems to be these two on the skimmer, not those two or those two. It just seems to be these two. So. This is good tool. This plough spanner. Right, job done.